Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Peugeot 2008 here. Just going to show you the location of the OBD port. So on this one, we're going to go to the glove box, and from here, just open up your box. Then you have this little cover here with a handle. So you want to get on hold of that, pull that off. Sometimes they are quite stiff, so you just got to get hold of it, give it a good pull from the top. And then inside, just located there to the bottom right hand side, the orange and black OBD port right there. And that's it.